If you're a business analyst or any other professional working on requirements or UML modeling, then Microsoft Visio is one of the most important tools for you. It is a simple to use visual diagramming tool. You can create use case models showing high-level requirements, as you can see on the screen. You can also create process diagrams for representing current state and future state of an organization or a process. As is state, which is known as current state, and to be state, which is known as future state, helps in process improvisation and process optimization. By creating these two diagrams of the current process and the desired process, we conduct the gap analysis. Microsoft Visio can help you in creating process diagrams or even flowcharts quite easily, as you can see on the screen. My name is Abhishek Shrivastava and I have created a course on Microsoft Visio. This course will help you in learning MS Visio along with UML diagramming by using a case study. So that case study will be used to create use cases and process diagrams.